Hi guys, how to change the existing password in the MacBook? You need to click on the Wi-Fi icon, then after click on the network preferences, then after you need to click on the advanced. In advanced, you need to remove your Wi-Fi name from this list. You just need to click on the remove icon. Then Wi-Fi is removed. Then you need to click on the OK, then apply. So now your Wi-Fi is removed. So what you need to do, you can just click on the other networks. In other network you will find your Wi-Fi name. Then when you click on that, it will ask for the password, so you need to enter your right password. Then after you can check your Wi-Fi is connected. So this way you can change the your existing password in the MacBook. There is second way. You need to click on the Apple icon, go to the system preferences, then search network and click on the network. And network again you need to click on the advanced. Again you need to remove it, and then OK, then apply. Then again in other networks you can search, you can choose your Wi-Fi, then enter your password. This way you can change your existing or new password for the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching this video.